The only way to get rid of temptation is to yield to it.
And that's why you're marrying her.
Yes.
A permanent solution to temporary problem. But wedlock is bad luck, Papa. Bad luck sa kaligayahan mo, sa kinabukasan mo, sa kalayaan mo, at sa kwarta mo.
You think it's my money?
Yes.
Yan lang gusto niya?
Yes.
Tell me, young lady, what are you fighting for right now? Anong pinaglalabanan sa mundo ngayon? Anytime, any place, anywhere.
Gusto malaman ng boss ko kung tuloy ang meeting.
Mrs. Tabora, asan ang Papa?
Sasabihin ko na lamang sa kanya. Okay, bye-bye. He's in the other room. May kausap siyang mga tao.
Pakisabi na lang na nandito ako. I want to talk to him.
Importante ba?
Of course.
Maupo ka muna.
All right, Sylvia. Out with it. Anong problema natin?
Totoo bang balita? Ikakasal ro kayo.
Sabahin natin pag-usapan yan. That can wait.
Pero Papa, ano ba ito? Para naman ako asawa dito eh. I'm the last to know. Alam na ng lahat. It's all over town. Sino ba siya? Somebody I know?
Hindi mo siya kilala. Hindi siya taga rito. A nobody.
A nobody to replace my dead mother?
Sylvia, I was a nobody. Your mother was a nobody. Till I became a somebody. Don't you ever forget that.
Eh di kung ganun pala, Papa, eh di pwede na rin siguro kung pakasal sa isang nobody.
Over my dead body.
Why not, Papa? After all, 18 na ako. Kung pwede kong bumoto, eh di pwede na rin siguro kung pakasal kahit kanino.
That is my privilege as a father. But not your right as my daughter.
Bakit si Christy? Sino ba nag-iasawa niya?
You happen to be my favorite.
At itong babaeng pakakasalan mo, ano ba siya sa'yo? Is she just as important?
Oh, she's temptation. At sa edad kong ito, iha. The only way to get rid of temptation is to yield to it.
And that's why you're marrying her.
Yes.
A permanent solution to temporary problem. But wedlock is bad luck, Papa. Bad luck sa kaligayahan mo, sa kinabukasan mo, sa kalayaan mo, at sa kwarta mo.
You think it's my money?
Yes.
Yan lang gusto niya?
Yes.
Tell me, young lady, what are you fighting for right now? Anong pinaglalabanan sa mundo ngayon? Anytime, any place, anywhere.
Be practical, Papa. Okay, you're tired. You're lonely. Go ahead, hawakan mo siya, kunin mo siya. But not as your wife, as your mistress.
Tinuturuan ba ako nung tama o mali? I gave this woman my word.
Nangako ka rin sa mama, remember?
To take care of the family, yes. And I will, habang nabubuhay ako. But I'm also a member of that family. It's Monday, the first day of the week. Huwag natin sirain ang buong linggo, ha? Now, kiss your old man and go. Come on. Sylvia, mahal ko ang babaeng ito. As I love you.
I don't think so, Papa. To the young, marriage is an act of love. But to you, it's legalized.
All right, nagsumbong na saan si Mrs. Tabora, nag-away kayo ng papa mo, pagod ako, I don't want to hear your version. Pwede kang pumasok, kumain, and then scram. Rito sa loob, mamaya kagating ka ng lamok dyan, demanda ako ng papa mo. Maghahanap pa ako ng abogado ko. Ano ba talagang nangyari?
Eh, akala ko ba ayaw marinig ang version ko?
Alis ka ba naman dito nang hindi nagbubuhos ng sama ng loob, ng lagim?
Hindi.
O hindi pala, daliamot, gutom na ako. Hindi ako pensyonada kapareho mo.
Do you know that Papa is actually getting married?
Of course. I'm his lawyer. Your papa is just a businessman who makes immediate decisions na minsan tumatama. Mind you, minsan lang, ha?
Eh, ano naman ang masasabi mo doon?
He's only engaged to be married.
I know, but engagement is a partnership in which one party is free to keep or break, but which involves all the capital of the other.
Aba, marunong ka na sumagot. Malapit ka ng pakasal.
Kasalanan mo naman kasi yan eh.
At bakit naman ako nadamay dyan?
Eh, paano naman kung mag-asawa nila ang papa ko? Eh, di sana sa'yo na lang.
Ayaw sa akin ng papa mo eh. Anong gusto mong gawin? Besides, I only belong to his mind. Sa katawan at puso, hindi. Gagawin mo pa akong nurse, mag-aalaga ng matanda. Kahit ba, mayaman siya eh.
Carol, pwede ba ako matulog dito tonight?
Abuso ka na, gagawin mo pang boarding house tong bahay ko.
Sige na, ngayong gabi lang naman
Hindi
eh.
pwede, may lalaking dadating.
Hindi naman ako mangi-istorbo eh. Dito ako matutulog sa kawayan. Doon kayo sa kwarto. Sige na, please.
O sige, only for tonight, ha? Sasaktan mo lang ang papa mo.
Carol,
Ano na naman?
wala. Gusto ko lang magwala. I wanna break something. Anything.
Okay, break your head. Sige na nga, para matapos na tayo. Ito, yung salamin.
I'll pay for it.
Huwag na, insultuhin mo pa ako. Uwi ka na bukas, ha?